Hello, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning enter Google Pay, tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit. Enter Loyalty and select Shop, for example IKEA Poland. Now you can scan the card or enter your member ID. Then tap Save. Let's select Gift Card this time, and similar to Loyalty, select Shop and enter your details. The last card you can add is Transit. If you are able to find your public transport, select it, you will be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.